Hello, I'm Karen Chang. I'm the Managing Director at Umbrella Consulting. This SYSPRO Quick Tip video is on autosumming. You're probably very familiar with the autosum feature in Excel, but did you know that you can also autosum in SYSPRO? Anywhere in SYSPRO where you see a list view or a grid style view like an Excel table, you can choose to turn on the autosumming for any column that's numeric. Let me show you how. I'm in my SYSPRO 8 environment, and I'm going to open up the inventory query. And I'm going to pull up my stock code, which is B100. This is my 15-speed mountain bike boys. And I see that I have a whole lot on order for this item for all my different warehouses, specifically my end warehouse. But I want to know what makes up this number and which POs make up this number. So I'm going to click on my purchase orders link so that I can view all the open POs. So I see that there's a whole bunch of purchase orders and there's a PO quantity column. So I want to auto sum this column so that I can confirm that the total of this column matches my total under the warehouse values. So what I do is I right click on the purchase order quantity column. Then I get this menu. So then I select auto sum and then column sum. So just like that, I've got my total. There's my 459,000 eaches, which matches the number here under the warehouse values for my on order quantity. If I also wanted to auto sum the outstanding quantity column, I can do the same thing. Right click, go to auto sum and select column sum. And they happen to be the same number. But again, I also am able to confirm that it matches the on order quantity. And so just like that, super simple, you can do auto summing in SYSPRO. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to our channel so you can see more SYSPRO videos. Thanks. Bye.